As an infection control team, we have an agreement that norovirus is the common cause of infection control in a hospital and cause wards to be closed with a high financial impact in the healthcare facility. To contain the outbreak of noroviruses, we should understand and know why are noroviruses that threaten in a hospital. From this question, I will go through the certain characteristics of norovirus. First of all, the mode of transmission. And the second characteristic of norovirus is highly transmissible. And the third is norovirus is resistant to disinfectant. Let me now go through these characteristics in more detail. First, the mode of transmission. Noroviruses have multiple modes of transmission. Primarily fecal oral contamination that drives the spread of norovirus. And it has been recognized that norovirus and the diarrhea with airborne norovirus dispersion is an important role as well. Also hand contact with contaminated surfaces and person-to-person contact also is an important, especially in the hospital, because nurses is like when they take care of patients, they move from patient to patient, and that will spread the virus in the hospital. And the second characteristic of norovirus is highly transmissible. Low infectious dose, which is less than 100 to 10 to 100 virus, is enough to infect healthy adults. And also, people infected with noroviruses are very contagious, which means they, from the moment they become ill to at least 3 days after recovery. And the third characteristic of noroviruses, which is really important to consider during the outbreak, is resistance to disinfectant. The norovirus particle is easy to spread and much more difficult to remove, and simple diffusion is not sufficient to remove the virus from surfaces. Coincidentally, ammonium compounds are unstable due to high levels of organic matter in feces and vomit. And hydrochloride must be used, and my colleague Arda will talk about this in more detail. Now, we know the characteristic of noroviruses. These are the characteristics which enhance noroviruses in a healthcare facility. So, rapid and sensitive diagnostics should be taken, and I'm now going through the diagnostic methods. Now, routine laboratory tests not helpful in a situation of outbreak. 2 years ago, samples used to be sent to reference lab for electron microscopy to detect the presence of the virus in a sample. But this is time-consuming and not helpful as well in a situation of outbreak. However, nucleic acid detection and lab reference is most offered for nucleic acid detection, which is much faster and detects 100 particles of fries from the stool, and really fast and sensitive. But our team investigating a new technology of detection norovirus that really gonna help and reduce the time before sending samples to reference lab and get same-day diagnosis. This new technology is called Loop-AMP norovirus, the next generation in norovirus diagnosis. It is really simple to use, and it is highly specific and results comparable with real-time reverse transcription PCR and fast and efficient. Just in 1 hour we will get the results, and the results start at course. If you can see here,